What's up guys, this is Ref and welcome back. So for today's video, I want to revisit the phone that started my YouTube channel, which is the iPhone 11. So this is almost a 4-year phone, which I purchased around 2020, and it's still great. So let me further explain. There are no titanium frames like the newer iPhone 15s, but it does have aluminum frames with front and glass back. And for 4 years, it held pretty well. It's still solid. The buttons are clicky and works great. It does have an IP68 rating dust and water resistance, and I bring it on all of my vacations for the past few years. I have dipped it in the pool, at the sea, and I've used it always for underwater shot or videos, and it didn't let me down. So its IP68 really works well. The speaker is still great and still one of the loudest. The only thing that I didn't like is that on its camera rails, the color seems chips off so quickly. Like I always said, one of my biggest complaints on the iPhone 11 is its LCD display. I really don't like the notch as well. The LCD display is just fine, but not that great as other OLED screens. This is powered by Apple A13 Bionic chip with 4GB of RAM. It's an iPhone, so expect it to be still fast and very responsive. It's still on 60Hz unfortunately, but it is one of the smoothest phones still. You can play high graphic games on this phone like Genshin Impact and other games, and doing everyday tasks is still great. Battery performance is awesome. It still can last 1 day of full usage, and it is on 89% battery health. It does have wireless charging, which is really convenient too. The iPhone 11 do have two 12 megapixels camera, one wide camera and one ultra wide. Taking photos are awesome and great on this phone, even in night. You'll get flagship photo results. This camera is still legend, especially in the video recording capabilities. It's actually single-handedly started my YouTube channel, and most of the videos that I created on it was from this iPhone 11. Camera is one of the main reasons why I purchased this iPhone 11, and I'm fully satisfied on its results. Its 4K 60 frames per second videos are all crisp, and its stabilization is still best of its class, even in today's standards. You can check my videos on my YouTube channel as most of it are from this iPhone 11. Even the latest videos like the unboxing for iPhone 15 and the review of it. After almost 4 years of usage of this iPhone, it's still amazing. And this phone never let me down. Yes, I really don't like the LCD and the notch, but regarding on its overall performance like its camera, batteries, gaming, and everyday usage, it is still great. It is still being sold even today, and I know some people who just recently upgraded to iPhone 11, especially with its price. You can buy it online for below 25,000 pesos or around 450 US dollars, which is really a steal for a price. And that is why I consider this iPhone 11 probably the best value iPhone ever. So that is my review for this iPhone 11 in 2024. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And see you soon. Peace out.